welcome back to Chef Dawg. This one is a fun one today. I found this at Costco. The Cauliflower Bites. They are rolled in white cheddar and sunflower seed, and a sunflower seed blend. This is what they look like. I've already opened it up because I've been eating them. But I'm using this as like my my little side. If I have like a chicken and rice or something, then I heat these bad boys up. You can air fry these, and seriously, it takes 3 minutes. So I'm going to show you how it's done. We got this from Costco. It's an air fryer, plus you can toast, you can bake, you can do all sorts of things in it, but the main reason I bought it was because of the air fryer. I'm going to just cook 3 of them. Put it in there, put it at 400, and I'm going to turn it on. These are 210 calories for 6 pieces, and again 6 grams of protein, and it is gluten-free, and it says vegetarian on here. So if you're vegetarian and gluten-free, they'll work for you. Okay, they've been in here for about 3 minutes, just like I said. Let's see if they're done. Whew, nice and warm. All you need to do is heat these up. But there you go. This is what it looks like. And really good. So for a nice little side with pretty much anything that's healthy for you, you can put it in the oven, deep fry it. But we air fry our stuff now, a little bit healthier and much quicker and much cleaner. It almost kind of tastes like a French fry in a way. So I guess a healthier French fry. And make sure to subscribe and share. And if you like Costco food, that's what we do, we review it. Hit the like button and the bell thing and do all that stuff. And I'm just doing what I'm told by my son. Okay, have a good one. Thanks for watching.